In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you every single thing you need to know about using Discord app. From setting it up to chatting, joining servers, and using voice calls, which is actually very perfect for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use the Discord app perfectly. Alright guys, let's dive right into the video. Now this channel is all about fixing app-related issues and helping you to make money online. So if this is really your thing, you can do it, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So right here is what the app appears like once you download this from your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. You can actually use the web version as well if you are using your PC. So in order for you to actually get the app, you can actually go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Discord, and you'll be able to see it just like this. Then you can go ahead and download it to your device. So after downloading and installing it on your device, you can go ahead and click on open in order to open it in your device, and this is what the home page is going to appear like. So right here, you can actually register by clicking on register just like this. So right here, I'm going to input my phone number and input your display name. So let's say our display name is Tutor Faraday, and then go ahead and click on next. The next step you need to take is to input your password. Go ahead and click on next. Right here, you need to set your date of birth. So after setting your date of birth, you can go ahead and click on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Then go ahead and click on create an account. But before that, you need to click on this box right here in order to personalize your email, product announcement, and offer designed around how you use Discord, which is actually optional. So you can go ahead and click on create account like this and confirm if you are a human or not by clicking on the confirm button at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, you need to actually solve this puzzle. So once you are done doing that, you've actually created a Discord account. So you can go ahead and click on allow in order to allow friends. So then go ahead and input your phone number. So here I'm going to input my phone number. So once you're done doing that, you need to input your real name right here. You can actually go ahead and put your real name or any name you want to be bearing on the Discord, depending on what your contacts actually know you for, so that they'll be able to search for your name and get connected with you on Discord. So here I'm going to input Tutor Faraday. So here you can see some friends you can actually add. These are friends suggested to you by Discord. So you can go ahead and click on add friends. So once you do that, looking here, you can see where it says allow people to find me. So you need to go ahead and click on allow people to find me so that people can be able to find you on Discord. Then go ahead and select a profile either from your device or any Discord avatar right here. So I'm going to select a Discord avatar and click on next. So this is it. You've been able to create a Discord account. So the next step you can actually take in order to start using your Discord app is to go to your profile. Now you can see the option where it says you are at the bottom of the screen. You can go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, looking here, you can see the option of edit profile. So you can click on edit profile, add your display name, add your background photo right here. So this way you can do all of that. If you want to change your background photo, your profile, you can go ahead and do all of that right here. So once you're done doing that, your profile is already good to go, and anybody that actually sees your profile will be able to know that you are actually the one using that Discord account. So the next thing you need to actually know about using your Discord app is joining or creating a server. So in order for you to actually use a Discord app, you need to actually join or create a server. You can actually do that by clicking on the plus button right here at the top left corner of your screen like this. So you can see where it says create your avatar. So you can see where it says create your server, create my own. So you can actually use any of those templates. You can actually create, for example, a gaming, a friend, a school, or a business server. So let's say for instance you want to create a gaming server. You can go ahead and click on gaming and click on for me and my friends, or if you want to create it for a community or club, then you can go ahead and select community or club. Then you can go ahead and select community or club. Otherwise, you can simply go ahead and click on for me and friends. Then input the profile you want the server to actually have. So you can go ahead and upload any display photo you want to be shown as your group profile. Then go ahead and name the server. So let's say the server name is 24 days server. Then go ahead and click on create server. So right here, you need to copy the link and share it to the people you want to join your server by clicking on share link. After doing that, you can click on done. You can see done at the top right corner. So when you do that, you've been able to create your own server. So this is another thing you need to actually note about Discord. You need to actually create your own or join people's server so that you can be able to chat with them on Discord. Another thing you need to actually know as well is to understand your channel. So you can actually do that by going to the home page. Right here, you can see where it says text channel. You need to understand the difference between text channel and voice channel. So right here, you can see text channel. In text channel, these are the channels you've actually joined or the channel you created by yourself. But this text channel are the channels you can only text on. You can't actually send a voice note to this channel. So this channel is right here, which are text channel. If you click on it, you can actually type in a text. Now let's say hi. You can actually type in a text on this type of channel. But looking at this place where it says voice channels, these are the channels you can actually send only voice to. You can actually send only your voice to these channels. So this is what you need to understand about channels on Discord. I think this is probably what you need to actually know about Discord. At the top corner of the screen, you can see the search button. You can actually click on the search button as well and click on create channel if you want to create your own channel. Looking here, you can see the option of create channel. You can actually click on create channel and create channel. And if you want to invite someone to Discord, you can click on the invite button right here. If you want to go to your settings on Discord, you can click on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Then at the top right corner, you can see your setting option. This is your setting option. If you simply want to log out, you can see the logout button at the bottom of the screen. Alright, we've come to the very end of this video. So this is basically all you need to know about using a Discord app, either on your phone or your desktop as a pro. Hope you found this video helpful. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, do it to hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. This channel is all about fixing app related issues and also helping you to make money online. Alright, see you in the next one.